This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. An immediate evacuation notice has been issued for the entire state of Blizzardia. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. The Blizzardia Weather Research has confirmed that the endless snowstorms are coming from the portals. Please evacuate to a nearest evacuation center as soon as this broadcast ends. Only take the most important items with you, such as water, food, documents, medication, and ideally a mobile phone. If you are unable to evacuate, then stay in your shelters. Around 2 hours ago, a group of entities that were similar to knights had come out of the original portal. We have decided to intercept them with a local law enforcement. The leader of the knights was called the Blizzard Guardian. The Blizzard Guardian explained that they come in peace and want to help us. According to him, an entity by the name Frost Conqueror wants to invade our world and has already begun creating an army of Frost entities to eliminate us. We have decided to send drones for any evidence. He was correct. Drones found a massive army of Frost and Ice entities. The military has already begun creating a defense plan. This is all for now. Remember, stay vigilant.